So, welcome back to the next chapter. Last time we discussed how to enable application monitoring for the different ways. So, we will be checking how to enable the application monitoring of a Spring Boot application using micrometer actuator, the in-application instrumentation. We'll be checking everything into the Ubuntu box today, not on Kubernetes, so that it becomes easy for understanding. So, I have a GitHub page that we will be following it up for this, activity. So that would be easy. So this is the one. So to make it happen, we need to install Prometheus first onto your Ubuntu machine. That I have already done, but let me show you this step because installing Prometheus onto Ubuntu is pretty much real straightforward thing, and that is something which is very straightforward on very quick thing. So you need to install all these commands and then make sure you are installing Prometheus and then creating the service, right? All these commands are really straightforward, and at the end you should run this and your Prometheus should be up and running. So let me see. The Prometheus is running because that is the most simplest part. We don't need to spend too much time on installing Prometheus on Ubuntu box. So Prometheus is running. The next is you need to install Grafana using this grafana.yaml onto Ubuntu box. We are not doing Kubernetes today to make our life easy. So yeah, since I also have Grafana already up and running, you can simply come back here and then see Grafana should be up and running. Yeah, Grafana is also running. Now these are the very basic things. Now we need to install the pet clinic, the popular one, Spring Boot application. So for this, what I'll do, I'll just simply clone this repository. It's a popular GitHub repository. I will do it into my home directory so that it becomes. So I'll clone it here, right? And the moment is cloned, this is the pet clinic repository. Or I should clone it into my. Let me do it again 1 second. I'm cloning it into the WSL directory so that I can open into VS Code directly to make our life easy. So I'm cloning it here. Uh, Everything is in front of you. Spring Boot pet clinic, right? So this is cloned already. Uh, now let's see. Now this is cloned. Let me go back here and then what are the next steps that we need to follow? To enable micrometer dependence, micrometer, based metrics enablement, we need to add the certain dependencies into the pom.xml file. And pom.xml file is responsible for, starting up your application. This is the one which I am trying to talk about. And then here there are dependencies that we need to add two dependencies basically the actuator dependency and the micrometer dependency. The actuator should be there. I need to add only this micrometer one, which is responsible for generating the red matrices for this uh, application. And this is applicable to any Spring Boot application, right? And then you need to go to this main resources, right? SRC main, so SRC folder where you have all your configurations, and then there's an application.properties file. Now here you need to make sure that you are adding this management metrics export Prometheus enable true. So you should always be having exposure. You need to add this line also so that your metrics should be enabled. Perfect. And then you need to create the Maven package. Since everything is done, I have saved it. Now I'll create a Maven package into the same location, right? Now this will create a Maven package and then we will start the application, right? So since it's taking some time to, now in the meantime, let me explain what are the changes that you need to do it into prometheus.yaml so that it should capture the matrices that are getting emitted from this Spring Boot application. Now you see there's a prometheus.yaml. I've kept it into my GitHub page. This is the one. So the only thing you need to make sure that you are adding your scraping. So prometheus.yaml, the configuration file by which you say or you redirect your Prometheus that please scrape means please capture the matrices coming from either from node exporter, since we do not have node exporter running. It will capture the matrices coming from Prometheus itself from this port number 1990, and I'm saying please capture the pet clinic matrices coming from actuator Prometheus on port number 8080. So this we need to add it. So in the meantime, to utilize time, I will simply, so now I have paused the video. So now I again ran this Maven package, and this time it ran fine. The Maven package has been created. Now let me go to the prometheus.yaml configuration, what changes you need to do. So I'm in this location where Prometheus is installed, and you see prometheus.yaml is the file where you need to make sure this changes here. So I've added these 4 lines, so it will scrape all the matrices coming from this endpoint, which is the pet clinic application. Now Maven is done. Let me quickly, run the application so that it should start emitting the data. So I'm running starting the application with that jar file that has been generated by Maven, right? So 1 second. Now this will start my application. Having said that, it is not already running since I've executed from WSL, so that is the reason it is taking some time, but it should be up and running in a while, and then we will be able to see. And in the meantime, let me show you, I have added that data source, Prometheus data source, already into my Grafana. So this we already know. Now let me go back to explore. Let's see whether there are any matrices coming. So I have added two scrape matrices, two scrape endpoint. One is from pet clinic and other is from Prometheus. So let me see whether we are getting any data from Prometheus itself or not. Okay, so this is the magic query that we need to run to see how many distinct matrices are coming. And if I see for last 5 minutes, I should be able to see the node exporter data also, because node exporter is also running, Prometheus is also running. So actually it is taking three endpoints, node exporter, Prometheus, and pet clinic is not generating any data because just the application is now being up. Let me see whether the application is actually running or not. 8080. If yes, then we will generate some traffic from this application so that that traffic is being read by Prometheus. So my application is running. I will generate some application errors also, and then I will, find the owners. So all this is generating some traffic, and it should be now sending data to your Prometheus because it is already being captured. So you see, Pet Clinic Hotel has now giving some matrices 155. If I see what are the different kind of matrices that are coming from this, I will do this filtration. You can simply pause the video if you want to understand how to get the distinct metric series for that particular job. So you see, these are the matrices coming from your Hikari and all those, pet clinic application. And these are JVM matrices. So all these matrices have been triggered with the help of micrometer dependency. Now, if I want to see any particular, uh, especially on how many 200, requests have been fired on this pet clinic application, so I will run this command and see that pet clinic has is running 200 and it has given a right data. So that is pretty much, I want to keep my chapters pretty sharp. That first of all we installed Prometheus and Grafana onto Ubuntu, which is really straightforward, no need, no rocket science. And then I installed a Spring Boot Pet Clinic application. That but before installing application, I made certain dependencies, micrometer dependency, and added this configuration into configuration application.property file. These are the two important things. And then you create a Maven package, run the application, and the jar which is created by Maven, and then finally generate some traffic. And then simply, if you want to restart Prometheus, and then add that prometheus.yaml. So there are three things that are coming in. And the Prometheus matrix is coming from Prometheus, node exporter matrix is coming from node export, which is already running on my machine, and then this pet clinic. So we were interested more on the application monitoring matrix side using micrometer. So that is pretty much. I will take a pause and we will come back into our next chapter. We'll talk about more on to the next set of module, the Grafana cloud, which is important. And once Grafana cloud is done, then we will talk about all the remaining application monitoring perspective. So see you in the next lecture. Thank